Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to walk you through an easy step-by-step guide on how to turn off Fitbit step goal progress notification. So let's get started with the quick and straightforward guide on how to turn off the Fitbit step goal progress notification. So the first thing to do is just step one is to open the Fitbit app. So launch the Fitbit app on your iPhone or Android, then make sure your Fitbit is connected. Then on step two, you have to tap your profile icon. So to do this, in the top left corner, tap your profile picture and select the Fitbit device, for example, Chat 6 or Vassal. Then on step 3, you have to go to notification. So scroll down and tap notifications, then tap the activities or reminders to move, depending on what you want to disable. Then on step 4, turn off the step go alert. So to do this, toggle off go celebration or step reminder, and this will stop progress alert like you are halfway to your goal. And that's how you can simply turn off Fitbit step goal progress notification. Find the video helpful, turn on the button and subscribe for more. Thanks.